These are the Draugr Deathlords from Skyrim, and we picked them because they are kind of the quintessential bad guy from the game. You run, as the hero character, you run into a lot of them, and we knew that people would recognize them, and we knew that people would get a good reaction out of it. Some friends of ours came up with a wild idea to go to PAX here in Seattle and dress up as some video game characters, and we've always been the well, why not kind of people. So we did it and we caught the bug, and every year we just kept ramping it up, doing new costumes, pushing our skills further and further, and working with groups and stuff. And it was just like not even a decision. It's like, this is what I'm doing for the rest of my life. I've decided. It just happened.
It's a great way to just get a lot of creativity out there, and but not too much. If you want to try and match a character, you have this nice reference to follow, and then you get to make this amazing piece. And then I just love seeing the reactions of people when you're dressed as an undead creepy thing, and it's like it's just so neat to see people all smiley or scared or just have that kind of reaction. The bodysuits were something we've never done before, and it was a little nerve-wracking, so we waited till the very end to try it. But it saves so much time. You don't have to do any makeup the morning before. You get ready in 15 minutes. But yeah, we experimented a lot with airbrushing and cloth-safe body paint, and yeah, it turned out pretty well.
Why do you guys like to do cosplay?
I do it. It's a combination of things. One, it's a thing all my friends enjoy doing it, so it's a social thing for me. But it's also a way for me to show off my work and find potential clients for my prop making business. My business is called Punished Props. I started it about a year and a half ago. I do it full time. Usually the way it works is I take commissions from individuals who want something made, like a gun or a sword or something from their favorite show or video game. We work out a price, and then I build it for them. And I've been doing that for a while now, and it's working out okay.
I'm Todd Kenreck. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Cosplay Boom is a new video channel devoted to the art of cosplay. It's also a website where cosplayers, photographers, and prop makers can upload the photos of their content. There you can share content, like other people's photos, tag people in your cosplay photography, and even see how many people have been looking at your pictures. If you are a cosplayer, you should definitely join the site. This is the place for you. And if you just love cosplay, you should check out the site every single day. It's cosplayboom.com.